Get acquainted with the 2016 Acura MDX. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the power, luxury, and superior handling of the MDX. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Experience the superior handling of this high-performance luxury SUV. Make an appointment to drive one today.